What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So the video I made on XRP yesterday was pretty interesting because it got a lot of views, more views than what I had with a lot of my other, videos that I created, which usually my portfolio videos get a little bit more traction, but I understand I put out 4 videos yesterday, so it's understandable why, you wouldn't get notifications out to a lot of people. But XRP, that video seemed to hit a lot of people's like notifications or homepage or recommendations or something like that. But I see why, right? There's a lot of hype behind XRP where you have the same kind of predictions that you see with Ethereum and with Bitcoin, where Bitcoin, they're like, Bitcoin can get to $100,000, Ethereum can get to $10,000, $100,000 for itself. And people are saying the same thing about XRP. The only difference with the two or the three is Bitcoin's worth $22,000 now. Ethereum is worth 1,600, but XRP is worth less than $1. Its high point that it's been at was $3.40 or something like that. So seeing the kind of conversation that's being had and saying that it's going to get to $100,000 tends to be ridiculous. So I kind of wanted to dive into that and give people the understanding of market capitalization and where people are coming from even without the market capitalization factored in. So we're definitely going to talk about this. Guys, if you could, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about some of the other links that are in the description if you guys want to buy XRP. I feel like KuCoin is a great platform. A lot of people have it, and some people, I guess, just don't want to, use Uphold. But it's definitely a good platform. I've been trading on it for a little bit now, and it's good with day trading and swing trading and all of that stuff. So definitely check out that referral link down below. But let's talk about XRP, because not only are we seeing, the price predictions and all of that stuff, we're also seeing XRP move today. XRP is at 39 cents. It's up about 3.49%. You're probably like, that's not a huge move. Define moving. Well, if the rest of the market is down and the rest of the market is collapsing and XRP is up by 3.5%, I will take that any day of the week, and I will definitely classify that as moving. Typically, when you see things that are moving or green while the whole market is red, it plays catch up. XRP did not play catch up here. It's definitely seeing more positivity than anything. And the crazy thing is, look at the volume. Every day that we've been looking at this, the volume has been increasing. I don't know if it's just a coincidence because I'm talking about it, but I want to see it continue to rise. But you saw the volume that was at $1 billion and it was at $1.3 billion. And now it's at 1.8 or $1.86 billion, up 35% from yesterday. So definitely seeing a change there in volume. Market cap is currently at a $20 billion market cap. Fully diluted is $39 billion. Now, there's a lot of people that look at this and they go, oh, you know what? It's going to go back to the 52-week high, 90 cents. We're going to see it triple in price, which is definitely a good situation either way. Whatever you have, you're making money off of it. So it's great to see it triple in price. But people believe that it's going to go a lot further than this. Again, predictions out there of $100,000. That's a lot of money, and that's also a very, very high market cap. If you're looking at this and seeing this at 39 cents, and you're seeing this at a $20 billion market cap, you double that. It's $40 billion market cap, and that's only at an 80-cent price. So obviously, it's kind of a little bit of a long road, or something has to happen, and seeing the overall market cap or the overall supply come down so the market cap isn't as high, or seeing it be worth so much more and usable to so many more people, through transactions, everything that happens there. So I was going through a bunch of different videos, a bunch of different articles to really get a sense of where people's heads actually are. And we were kind of landing on a couple of things, right? Where you could see it become a major part of the world economy, where you're using XRP as a form of payment in so many different areas, raising the market capitalization by so much. Because seeing it at a $100,000 market cap, I can't even do the calculation right now because I didn't do the calculation beforehand, but just know it would be trillions of dollars of a market cap. And I mean, not just 1 trillion, not just 10 trillion, like tens of trillions of dollars worth of a market cap, maybe even more than that, if I actually did the calculation. Just know it's a ridiculous amount. So there's a lot of people that complain on like different websites like Reddit and don't know what this is, but you have a bunch of people that are basically saying, hey, can this get to $100,000 or $10,000 or whatever? And people are like, no, it can't reach there. People don't understand. They don't understand market capitalization. You see those words right there. People don't understand it. And some people just are blinded by it. They don't look at it and they go, all right, well, I believe it can get there because I just believe. You have to believe. And people need to see evidence or reasons and information, data as to how it can get there. And I believe there's some information, like I said, on the transaction side, but then there's also some information on the supply side to where we're seeing different burns that are coming through with XRP and how Ripple may be forced to burn 30 billion. Now, this is a year ago that this was really looked at or put out here, and we're not really seeing that happen. But mainly they come in here and they talk about how Ripple could be forced to burn, or we could be looking to burn, and Ripple wouldn't be able to stop it if we were looking to burn XRP or if we were voting on burning XRP. But I don't really see that happening as well. I don't see a crazy amount being burned off. So it would have to be forced by what the world will do with XRP overall in order to see this as a major part of this world economy, pushing so much to get this at not only a $100 billion market cap, but a 200 or 300 or a trillion dollar market cap, and see it, kind of compete with the likes of Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? Up at these, $190 billion market cap, $425 billion market cap. The high point for Bitcoin was 1.2 trillion. So can it get there? I'm not going to say it can't. I'm never going to say that anything cannot do it, but the likelihood of seeing that high of a market cap is a little bit ridiculous, So just because I'm not 100% certain doesn't mean that I'm not going to play it out for the long term and see what it can be, because anything could change. We could see them set up some sort of massive burn rate. We could see some sort of overall decrease in the supply, something standard that happens within XRP that decreases the supply and gives it a chance to get up to some of these higher figures price-wise throughout the next 5, 10, 20, 30 years, whatever. So if I'm holding this in a wallet, it could take a very, very long time for that to happen. But the point is that it could happen. But some people are pushing for this to happen this year, or, $1,000 this year or whatever. Even just getting to a level of $10 is definitely a difficult thing to do, because at $4, right now, if we're just looking at a 3x price, if we're seeing this increase to 90 cents or close to $1, we're looking at way higher of a market cap, or we're looking at a 2x to 80 cents. We're looking at a $40 billion market cap. Obviously, if we see that increase again, double, we're seeing it, at $160 billion market cap. And that's only, 40, 80, you're looking at a double there, which is $160 billion market cap. So I'm kind of losing myself here. But either way, we know that it's going to be a high price, to pay when it comes to the market cap. Obviously, for me, looking into this from the outside looking in, I'm trying to find every single method, every single, nook and cranny, every little detail that can give me an understanding of how this can get to $10, how this can get to $100. But in reality, it's all hidden behind what the massive use case is going to be and how that's going to develop from here on out. And also just this overall SEC and beating the SEC as of right now is definitely something that plays into whether we're going to see success as of today, as of this month, as of this year. So we kind of need to take it step by step by step in order to see some of these levels. So ultimately, if I'm answering if it can get to $10,000, it can. It can, but it's a slim chance of getting there. Can we see it, 2x, 3x, 5x, all of these other levels that are kind of closer to home? Let's push for that first, and then we'll start to look for a lot of these other plays like XRP to $10 or whatever. So anyways, I just wanted to kind of give my perspective on that just a little bit. And yeah, I want to kind of dive into this a little bit more. I still have my XRP. I don't have a lot. I have about $700 worth. It has been growing today because, it's up by 3.7%. And we're seeing the volume up by a hell of a lot as well. So again, if you guys want to get this position, KuCoin, the link down below, you can get that. Just swap your USDT for XRP and you'll be able to hold this position on KuCoin. But yeah, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of those links down below. It does help out the channel. I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.